please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.
Shifting gears from currency to commodities then, crude prices surged in trade today after the United States asked India, China and other countries to stop oil imports from Iran by November this year. Remember, India imports about 400 to 500,000 barrels of oil per day from Iran. Let's go across then to Manisha Gupta for more on this development. Manisha, thanks for joining in. United States has now toughened its stance on crude imports from Iran. How exactly does this impact India's crude import?
Well, very tough times, clearly, when you have everything not falling in place and the crude oil prices are doing just that. 3.5% gains overnight, a percentage point up as well at this point. And as you said, well, yes, US has reached out to its allies in Japan and Europe and telling them to completely halt buying Iranian crude and bring it to zero by the month of November or otherwise face sanctions. The US also says that it would be reaching out to countries like China, India and Turkey. Now, when you look at China and India, our energy security depends on imports and especially coming in from Iran with the kind of geographical proximity that we have to Iran in that sense. Also, it is not going to be so easy to replace it because the kind of refineries that we have does accept the kind of crude oil that comes in from Middle East and not necessarily from US and other countries. So it is going to be quite difficult. And when you look at all of those numbers, 500,000 barrels from what Iran exports comes into India, another 500,000 plus comes to China as well. So of a total 2.3 million barrels that Iran exports, nearly half of that is consumed by China and India itself. So it is going to be a tricky position as we stand right now. We still are awaiting reactions on how the Indian oil minister does come out from that. And also the markets do believe that it's not going to be so easy to eliminate Iran or replace Iran because that kind of a quantum that Iran is exporting right now is not going to be so easy to replace by other oil producers. So yes, we are into a tough position right now and the crude oil price is clearly showing that impact.